sober.
What's up, YouTube? What is up, Earth? Right now I'm headed over to Zach Klaptowski's house or compound. Professional motocross rider. He's got you know, I haven't even talked to Zach actually. I just talked to Drake, and he claims they're hanging out over there at the track by the fire, just chilling and stuff. So I'm just gonna head over there with the camera and see what's going on over here in Moto Heaven at the Jamp's house. So I'm gonna give you guys a little inside look at what goes on at this moto compound. So I'm heading over here to see what these guys got going on. Looks a little suspicious. They're in the garage. Maybe drugs. Who knows? Dude, this looks suspicious over here.
Pretty suspicious. I got this weed whacker.
What are you doing with that?
Looking for where it goes, honestly.
Dude, so this is Moto Heaven here, huh?
We have a Guinness World Record holder.
What's going on?
Tired.
You living the dream?
On? Of course. You're living the dream. Look at you.
I am the dream.
You're starting to get a dad bod.
I am a dad.
You're getting a dad bod.
So what's up, dude? This is gnarly in here, huh? Hustler? You got a Hustler ride on? That's a pretty beast-like machine.
Yeah, she works good. She cuts the grass fast.
So what were you guys doing? Riding hard today?
Yeah, a little bit. It's a little dusty.
What do you mean?
A lot of dust.
Dude, talk about that wheelie that you did.
Which one?
On 724?
Oh yeah, that was a good one, huh?
You're a legend.
Pretty long.
So what's up?
Nothing, man. Living a life.
Dude, I need to get one. I need to. Wow. Are you washed up pro or pro?
Washed up, dude.
Why are you claiming that?
Because I'm old and washed up
Dude,
and hurt.
Dad bod too, dude.
Yeah, I know.
You're not even
I'm
a
working
daddy,
on it.
dude. Me too. I'm working on a six-pack.
Of beer.
But fuck a six-pack. I'm looking for a keg.
Oh my god. Dad's going crazy again.
I wonder what a pro motocross racer eats.
Oh!
And I wonder how fast he eats it.
Thick and really fast.
No way.
What's up?
Dude, I'm getting the shots. This is all making an edit all about the pro moto guy, you.
I'm not a promoter, guy. That's pretty good.
What do you claim this thing is?
My moto bike.
What's that?
It's the new 2018 Honda bicycle. Moto bike, I meant. You know, here we go. We got the 2 rings in the front, 5 in the back, 10 speed. It's you know, got the nice slicks. It's more meant for the road. Exhaust stuff to burn out all those Priuses. We got a nice, you know, guard in case you get, you know, a little randy out there on the trails. I got a nice little front fender to keep all the stuff out. Front number plate right here so everyone knows who the fuck's here and about to win the shit. You know, we got the axle protectors. Wheel bearings are nice and tight. Got the nice squeaky brakes. Kickstand.
Why don't you show us,
Take, you know, sometimes I don't even lift, bro. I pick my bike up off the stand and fuck your bitch, though.
No way!
Yeah. Like, don't put that in there.
You're a total
Look at these nice bars here, too. These handlebars are straight bars to give you more tact position.
Get on there and show me what you look like on there.
Okay.
Is it fast?
Is it fast? Still gotta get my baseball card from the shop.
What do you mean?
For the noise.
No way.
Yeah. It's a little quiet right now. It's hard to tell that it starts first kick every time. A little wobbly here from the speed.
Your motorbike's really rad. I'm out of here.
Later, dog.
What do you got to say to everybody?
Comment on this new hairdo. Tell me what you guys think.
Wow, it's really nice.
It is. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share. Woo! For the boys. That was a good Hob impression, wasn't
That's
it?
pretty good, yeah.
Not gay, buddy.
Alright, peace out. Hit me up this week.
Yep.